Welcome to my new series, Meals for 4 under $10. Each week, I will bring you a delicious and nutritious meal for 4 people that cost only $10 to make. Each video will include the recipe and grocery list, as well as tips and tricks. This week, we are making this delicious sweet and sour chicken served over rice with a side of stir-fry vegetables. For this recipe, we will need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, a 20-ounce can of pineapple chunks, 1 red bell pepper, 1 medium onion, 1/2 cup of mushrooms, 1 cup sweet and sour sauce, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Drain pineapple chunks, reserving 2 tablespoons of the juice. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add chopped peppers, onions, and mushrooms and cook until tender crisp. Remove veggies. Cut chicken into 1-inch chunks and cook in the same skillet until browned and cooked through. Add veggies back and add sweet and sour sauce, soy sauce, pineapples, and reserved juice. Heat through. Serve over hot cooked rice with a side of stir-fry veggies. There you have it. Another delicious and nutritious meal your family will love, all for under $10.